Hello and welcome back to Homes in Space. Today I'm Jay, who is going to explain you about the property Godrej Thanisandra. Godrej Woods is spread across in 7 acres of land parcel, comes with only 558 units, 2 basements, ground and 14 floors. This has 10 towers spread across 7 acres with 68 to 78% of open space. Coming back to the configuration to offer. Right now we have 2 BHK which will be at 1180 square feet to 1240 square feet. These homes are quite large. We have 3 BHK starting at 1880 square feet and the larger one starts at 2100 square feet, goes up to 2300 square feet in total. Now let's look at the most elegant floor plan in the whole property. This is the 3 BHK 2200 square feet designed intelligently and efficiently. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a spacious foyer where you can set a private console, artwork and a home decor that sets the tone apart in the entire home. It creates a clean transition between the outside world and your private space. As you enter inside, you have a massive living and dining area. This space is designed for your comfort and grandeur. This has a full-size sofa, an 8-seater dining table with these glass windows ensure abundance of natural light inside your home. On the other side of the dining space, you have a luxurious modular kitchen designed with ample amount of counter space with premium fittings and a perfect triangle for cooking. It comes with a separate utility for your laundry and storage which keeps the main kitchen clutter-free. This master bedroom is a suite-like space with large bedroom. You can accommodate a king-size bed, a lot of place to move around, a reading nook and also comes attached with a balcony. This master bedroom comes with a full-length window again separate from the balcony to ensure enough light in the house. Also this has an exclusive walk-in closet attached with the toilet. This is the second bedroom of your house, which is quite evident, has a study table. This will be your kids' bedroom. It's quite spacious, can accommodate a king-size bed or 2 separate single cots, comes with an ample amount of storage and also this has an attached balcony which will run across to the living directly and to the first bedroom. Coming back, this goes to the master bedroom as well. So all the bedrooms are attached with a single balcony. This is the third bedroom of your house. This comes with an attached toilet. This can be converted into your grandparents' room, a hobby room or a stylish home office. This comes with a large window with smart planning. This room remains bright and airy throughout the whole day. In this floor plan, we have smartly designed the common bathroom which comes along with the powder space to ensure convenience while hosting guests at home. with the views opening to the landscape greens or the cityscapes. Depending on the tower placement, this space truly becomes the heart of your home. Connected to your living, you have a large private balcony and a viewing deck, a perfect spot for a morning cup of coffee or evening conversations or just unwinding in the open air. Godrej Woods is all about refined livings with premium towers, lush greenery zones and a master layout designed to give you both privacy and space. Expect Godrej's signature craftsmanship, smart planning and a boutique luxury vibes in every corner. Amenities that stand out. Get ready for resort-style amenities that elevate you every day. A grand clubhouse with premium interiors, infinity edge and leisure pools, curated forest trails and green lawns, fitness studios and indoor sports, kids play zone and activity pockets. It's luxury meets wellness right in the middle of the city. Thanisandra in Bangalore is one of the most growing micro markets. And this is for good reasons. You're just 10 minutes away from Manyata Tech Park, 20 minutes from Hebbal and definitely walking distance to the malls. The property is located bang on Thanisandra main road right across Reva University, which is one of the largest campus by the college. Coming back to the schools, you have Chaman Bhartiya School, you have KNS School. Airport is just 30 minutes away. Right there you have the KIADB Aerospace Park, which is a 3,000-acre SEZ. The property is just 10 minutes away from the Nagwara metro station and project is very close to the hospital, which is the largest hospital, Sparsh Hospital, and also Aster CMI is close within the radius of 10 kilometers. You have a mall by L&T, you have a mall by Bhartiya City, you have a Prestige Mall which is upcoming near the airport. The 2 BHK comes at 1 crore 68 lakhs onwards. The 3-bedroom 1880 square feet starts off at 2 crore 55 lakhs and the larger ones 2100 to 2300 square feet starts at 2 crore 95 lakhs only. For more information, contact on the given below number. Do like, share and subscribe. This is Jay signing off from Homes in Space. Thank you.